Welcome to Activities app. My name is Emily and today I'll be showing you how to join an activity. Before we begin, make sure you've completed your profile setup by going into the Account tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the landing page. Click Payment Information to add your credit card. Hit Save, then return to the home page. Select your desired activity. You will be brought to the Activity Information page. Here you can view the demographic, availability, cost, location, and dates of your activity. Read the reviews below to discover how previous users enjoyed the activity. If you have any outstanding questions, you can message the activity provider directly under the Message Advertiser header. Choose your date by selecting the Choose Session bar. Review your options and hit Book Activity. Once you've confirmed for an activity, you can find your ticket under the My Calendar tab. Your calendar will show you your upcoming, past, and canceled activities. Here you can message your host directly and pull up your unique QR code for check-in processes. You can also review your transaction history under the Orders bar in your Account tab.